Despite speculation from media about my future this fall, I'm currently undecided. I may work for NBC, I may play football again, I may focus on business and philanthropy, I may train for the pickleball tour, senior golf tour, coach my kids, or all of the above. I will let you know. Meanwhile, Saints coach Dennis Allen said today at the Saints Hall of Fame golf tournament, he thinks the comments were just made in jest and there have been no discussions about Brees coming back to the Saints. But you know who is coming back to First Take? Our quarterback, Dan Orlovsky. Hi, Dan.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What's up, my brother?
Show has been must watch this morning. It has been gasoline. Well done.
Appreciate that, but I kind of think that's the way every
Always
morning.
is.
But I get your point. I understand.
Always is, but it's been great.
I think he's saying he likes Pat Bev. That's
Yeah,
what I think he's saying.
Bev's that
The
dude.
whole conversation has
Bev's that
been
dude.
great. Everyone's been great.
JJ Redick, you know, Mr. Male Model. Yeah, he's doing good too. Okay. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Go ahead.
Oh, my gosh. Dan, obviously it's been an interesting weekend for the Saints, but obviously we know Jameis is still their quarterback. So, Stephen A., do you think they can win the NFC with Jameis at the helm?
Hell no. I don't believe that. I have no reason to believe that because of Jameis Winston only, though. The defense is real. Alvin Kamara is still there. They drafted Olave. Michael Thomas is still there for the time being. You just picked up Landry. They have weapons everywhere. But I'm one of those guys, Mr. Orlovsky, that if there's a question mark about you at the quarterback position, then I'm not a believer. Because I believe ultimately that is what will come back to bite you. I want to emphasize that is all I'm talking about with the New Orleans Saints. I'm not questioning Coach Allen, who's been under Sean, Sean for years. Okay, I got all of that. We understand what they're bringing to the table. They've got a guy that's been in the system for many, many years, and now he's been elevated to this position, and we get where he's coming from, okay? We know what Alvin Kamara brings to the table when he's healthy. We know what potential Olave has. We know what Landry can do. We know what a healthy Michael Thomas can do. The defense is big time. There are, as far as I'm concerned, when I look at the New Orleans Saints, they have everything else but the quarterback. And I'm wishing Jameis Winston well. I'm not rooting against him. But as far as I'm concerned, if I'm the New Orleans Saints, and I'm going to say this, and this sounds almost sacrilegious, but to me it is not. Look, Drew Brees, my brother, the broadcast booth didn't work out so well in your first year. You got a chance, you can go back there in the future, take a year or two away from that, hone your skills a little bit, go back and play lights out, do lights out, and you'll be in the booth for Fox or somebody. We got all that. But right now, Drew Brees, right now, look at the crew we got. If you were quarterbacking us, you sure we wouldn't do damage? Why don't you come back, bro? Why don't you come back?
No.
If I'm the New Orleans Saints, that's what I do. Look, we give Jameis Winston an extra year to get to. Plus, he's coming off a nasty injury anyway. So guess what? Look, come on back, Drew Brees. You had a year. You miss us. We miss you. Come on back. Come on home, baby. Come on home. That's what I'm doing. I promise you he's still living there. Listen, tell him to come on home. That's what I do, Orlovsky.
Right. Okay, so first of all, yes, the Saints can absolutely win the South with Jameis Winston as their starting quarterback.
The NFC.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Okay. They are, 2 weeks ago I said they were the third best team in the conference. This was before the Landry edition, before the Tyrann Mathieu edition. I think it's the Rams, the Bucks, and the Saints are neck and neck with each other. All right, the Drew Brees part of this. Drew Brees is not going to go play quarterback for the New Orleans Saints, and I don't think the New Orleans Saints should want him to play quarterback for them. I was the person all of Drew Brees last season constantly saying on television, where and who are they going to find the explosive plays from offensively? This was a Saints offense that would take Drew Brees off the field and sub on Taysom Hill to try to push the football downfield. Now, after a year of being in television and not keeping his body at the optimal health and strength, not keeping that arm as strong as possible, because that was the great diminishment, you think that he should go back just because they have more weapons? They can't push the football downfield with him. He's a Hall of Famer. He's one of the greatest ever. I don't think the Saints would want him back. I don't think there's many teams in the NFL that would want him back. The arm strength is the biggest issue. Now, back to why I think the Saints can win the division and the NFC with Jameis. And I think you're being a little bit unfair to Jameis Winston, Stephen A. Number one, Go back to Tom Brady's first couple months in Tampa Bay. Remember, the conversation about Jameis Winston was the interceptions. The first couple months in Tampa Bay, Tom Brady playing under that Bruce Arians system in Tampa, throwing a lot of interceptions. And everyone was like, oh my gosh, what's going on, Tom Brady? And I think that we learned a little bit that offense really did promote interceptions being thrown by the quarterback. I'm not absolving Jameis. It does. So all of a sudden, Tom Brady, the greatest quarterback ever, goes somewhere new, is running a new offense, throwing a bunch of interceptions, and there's no correlation. It's just coincidence. And then they changed the offense, and then they changed the offense back to what Tom wanted to do, and he threw less interceptions. I think we've got to give some credence to that for Jameis Winston.
I got to interrupt. So Bruce Arians has been around a long time, right?
Sure.
Been around a long time.
Great coach.
And obviously, he's coached in Arizona before he went to Tampa Bay. Prior to that, he had the stint in Indy when Pagano went down due to his illness, and we're glad, we hope everything's still well and stuff like that, right? We got all of that, right? And he was the offensive coordinator in Pittsburgh.
Sure.
Thanks for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.